Hello, my name is Timothy Ninja. No, I'm back. So welcome back to my video. Today we'll be playing with another video, but I don't think this will be the first episode. But this is kind of weird. It's just so funny. My first episode recording corrupted, and I can't really upload. No, I'm sorry. Sorry. Accident. So now, I'm making. Oh god, we need more wood, and we have a lot of cool stuff. So before we get to the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. We can get 50 subscribers anytime soon. Oh, I just used all my sticks again. There goes my plants. Some sticks, and then that's really, I need stone pickaxes. So 1, 2, that'd be great. Another one, and then case one. Man, these guys are so lucky right now. I'm gonna keep mining. I can't really find anything, and we are at diamond level. So I'm gonna start digging up apple. Still nothing. Oh, more redstone, which is, let's say, good. Hacker! No. Yes. Oh, cool. Okay. Deathlock. Oh my goodness! Let me pick up this. Oh my god! No. I need iron. Oh, no, creeper, no! Take my stuff, please. My goodness. Smash that. Is that like no TP? Oh, it's in lava. I guess I gotta start over again. Oh man, that ain't good. Oh my god. Alright, this is getting pretty crazy already. I have already died. I got some of it. Who wants trade? I'm selling wood. Wood for iron. I'm looking for iron. Iron trades. Come on. Not me. Anyone? No? No one wants iron trades. Dude, come on. Right, so I'm just collecting some wood over here. Going in happy mining. Dude. Friendly. Crap. Poof. Man, this ain't good. Everyone's is like. I mean, like, everyone's like so ahead. He said that the video too, just for sure. I know. I caught everyone. No, come on, guys, come on. Super Kobe and here. TP. Sorry. Sorry. No. I mean, don't I? Yes, I'm recording. Crafting tables. I want some sticks. Now, don't know. I'm not gonna get some more stone. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Stone pick. Got that by the way. I know this wood here. Why is there wood here? Need iron really badly. And also, I need some torches. Where I can't find any. Okay. Keep mining. But until we find some coal. Iron, yes. I'm so behind. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, just find diamonds on a good cave. Man, am I the only unlucky one here? Just me. Oh, wait. Okay. Alright. Everyone is looking pretty good right now, and keep mining. Suit up. Can I mine redstone? Can I mine redstone with stone? Okay. Don't try it. Oh no. Don't tell them. They're gonna be so mad. And I did all these newbie stuffs. So, I want... Wait. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. He fell in lava. Oh no, it's good that luck. Gotta keep going and let's see, can I find any more stuff other than redstone? I'm not mind the redstone later. I really need some iron. One vein. Oh man. Man, that's pretty bad. I'm getting a pretty bad start. It's not pretty good. I think I'm gonna do a live stream later on this. So we can all just have a happy family recordings, live stream. You can see me find diamonds. How common is redstone? I mean, I keep finding redstone like all the time. I feel like redstone out of the game. Even though redstone is important, but I'm not really a redstone guy, so I can't really think of redstone anything because anything. Yeah. Iron for coal. Yes, sir. I'm actually mining coal right now. Come to my quartz. My quartz is chat's blocking everything. Why is he keep typing? I fell in lava. Don't spam. Yeah, don't spam. I eat 2 grabs. Oh no. That's not quick. Let's be wondering, guys. Dude, TND, use your own pickaxe. I'm gonna save it when I find diamonds. But currently, I'm just gonna find. Wait, hold on. 3 stone picks. I don't want to spam spacebar. Why do you need to spam this? What does it mean about spam spacebar? 10 block, which is allowed on diamond level. Pretty good. And oh, finally a cave. Oh, found iron. Yeah. Someone stop this stupid water from pushing me. So, gotta mine it from over here. So, mining. Always mine the back of every hole. Okay, I guess there might be diamonds in there. I'm guessing that was happening to you. I mean, what could be the coincidence of that? I pick up every coal I have. Should I stop recording? You should stop recording when you think you should stop. Stops. Trade markets. Da 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 da. Oh my god. Vomit the iron for me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you did not enjoy, what are you doing? Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And yeah. Right? Iron. Pick up my iron. Okay. That's good.